Hello, welcome to my channel. As you see, I have a glove on. That's because in today's video I'm going to show you how I repot my plants. If you're repotting a plant, all you need is your plant, a bigger pot, some dirt, which I have a nice what is it, tub, or I don't know, it's a trash bin of soil. And of course you need water. Now if you have a watering can, use it, but I have these Fiji bottles, and instead of throwing them out, I just reuse them. So I am going to fix the camera and then show you how I repot my plants. Alright, so we have our pot, plant, water, and then I have my dirt over here. But the first thing I do is and if some of, oh, my leaves are falling. Save these. Like if it's a succulent and this comes off, you can save them, and you can actually repot more, but you just gotta gently get them out of there. Loosen the dirt with your fingers a little bit. This is a dirty job, so if you don't like dirt, or if you think it hurts you, then this is not for you. But I like to make sure that I get it out. I'll get the rest of that dirt out later, but when you repot, you want to keep some of that original dirt that your plant is in, because it's going to grow accustomed to the new dirt that you're putting in. So if it keeps what it's originally got, it helps you know, kind of combine with that new dirt. So now that I've done that, the dirt that I have, I don't have Miracle-Gro. I just have some soil that I have in this trash can thing. We have this trash can that's like filled with soil, so we keep that, and it's dry. So I use this is a little pot that I got an orchid in or something, but I use this. I do a little bit at a time because it is a little difficult for this specific soil to absorb the water, so I have to mix it in. I think it's like some cheap soil from Walmart, but now that I do a little bit at a time. See, I only have just like a little bit, because that's going to shrink when you add the water. So I add a little bit at a time, and as I'm adding the water a little bit, I mix. Now you can make your life a lot easier and just buy like something that's Miracle-Gro or a good soil that's already kind of moist. Gross, I know, I'm sorry. But I like this process. Now, it doesn't have to be completely soaked. You want it to be, you know, to have enough moisture in it, just a little bit more. And I like doing it this way because if I use, you know, I'm using water, and I use a bottle like this, I'm not using the hose. I use a lot less water. So I say this consistency is pretty good. Where it's got enough moisture. And then I'm just gonna go back in, get more soil, and repeat that process. Okay, I think that that's enough soil. So now what I'm going to do, you don't want to fill it to the top because keep in mind you're going to put the rest of what's in here in here. So I'm just going to make a hole in here. I'm going to take this guy out of here. I'm going to take what's in here, add it in. Put that off to the side. Make another little hole. Take this guy and just put him right on it. Now what I can do is I can actually take these and put them apart, or I can make them closer together. I'm going to make them so that they're pretty close. And when you get it in there, you just want to, push it down like I am. Make sure it's secure in there. And see? Boom. A potted plant. Repotted and ready to roll. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I repot my plants. I didn't even use an entire 1.5 liter bottle of water repotting this plant. I enjoy it. It's super soothing and relaxing for me. But yeah, if you have a plant that you need to repot, I hope that this helped. Also, keep in mind that if you want your plants to grow big, they grow with their pots. So if you keep it in a really small pot, it's going to stay a small plant. But if the bigger the pot, the bigger the plant. Super simple. But I hope this helped you out, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share. I'll see you in my next video.